Hey guys, it's Tim with Divergent Elite Detailing of McDonough, Georgia. We had a project that we shared a video on the other day, and I wanted to give you an update on it. It's a 2025 GMC Denali Sierra pickup truck. The truck was actually manufactured in August of 2025, delivered. The client decides that he wants to protect his new investment, so he gives us a call, and we arrange schedule his appointment, and he comes in. During the process for whether it be paint protection film or ceramic coating, we do a deep decon wash even on brand new vehicles. So we brought it in, did the decon wash, brought it inside, and this is what we found. What you see on here is buffer burn. It is absolute buffer burn. Now, this can come out. The question is a single stage polish enough, or do we need to resort to a multi-stage? So this is what we discovered after the vehicle had the decon wash. You can see the scratches. This is buffer burn. What is buffer burn? It involves a rotary polisher, a lamb's wool pad, and a person that doesn't know what they're doing. So in this situation, we wanted to be sure to communicate with our friend and let him know, hey, here's what we've discovered, unfortunately. So what would you like the route to be? We can stop at a single stage polish, or we can do a multi-stage. And so we asked him to come by. We did samples of both, and he opted to go with the multi-stage. So I want you to see this again. This is where we started. This is still a work in progress, but I want to see you as we work toward completing a multi-stage polish, the difference that it makes. Like I said, we're still in the works, but this will give you an idea on the difference that makes. Now you have a surface that's more apt to shine. The color is going to be enriched. 2, dirt hides and scratches, speeds up the aging process. So not only from a look standpoint, he's going to enjoy that part, but then 2, additionally, we're going to slow down the aging process by putting that good polish on there and then putting ceramic coating and paint protection film on there. If you've got questions of things like this, maybe you're looking to buy a car and you're just curious, what are some of the things that I need to watch for and make sure that I don't take home? Or, you know, I'm home, I have a vehicle, I've driven it for a little while, I'm hearing more about paint protection film and ceramic, I'd love to know more. If you want a no obligation call, we're not high sales people at all, no pressure from us. We're just educators, and we'd love to be a part of your process of learning. So give us a call, 678-310-3153, or you can go online and drop us a line there. Submit your question at divergentdetailing.com.